So I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to this new vlog with a new morning. First of all, thank you so much for the appreciation and the love that you gave me for my very first vlog. I hope that you like, and I really appreciate the true feedback that you gave me. I will really work on that and keep supporting me, guys. And if you really like my vlog, like the content, then keep subscribing me and keep sharing my channel. So today, after so long, I'm going out. I have some work to do. So today I'm finally going out. My friend is coming to pick me up. So before that, let's just quickly prepare the breakfast and have it, and just see you after breakfast, guys. Be there with me. Right now, my friend is here to pick me up. Sitting out there in that car. I'm just over with my breakfast. Just the milk that I'm left with. See you guys. Let me just quickly get ready, and I will see you in a bit. Hello guys, so welcome back. So here we are leaving. Friend is here to pick me up. So I have carried all my stuff that I need to vlog. My iPad, my selfie stick, and all the things. Okay guys, see you on the roads. Let me just leave and we'll see you. Hello guys. So after just leaving home, after a couple of meters, car showed that I need fuel too. You guys have done the breakfast. I need a breakfast too. So that's why we had to stop at the petrol pump. Now we are done with the petrol pump as well. We have fueled the car. Now we are leaving and moving ahead with the journey. Guys, so coming out after 15 days being at home, like I was at home from last 15 days, I didn't went anywhere, and coming out in such a sunny day in a clear view and having such amazing views out there, it is really astonishing for me. Like it is pleasant to my eyes that I can't even explain that how I'm feeling right now. I'm just enjoying it. I hope that you guys are also enjoying this. And on the side, my camera can't capture that what is the view over there. All these views are just making me astonishing, freaking out. So guys, after driving for around half an hour, we are about to reach our destination. Before we reach there, we have made a plan that we will go on a beach first, then we will move ahead with the planning. So it is the life, like wherever you have planned, whatever you have planned, so there will be changes while you will be implementing on that. So it is a life as well. So whatever you have planned in your life, it never go and as the same way the way you have planned. So while we were coming, we have made a plan that we have some time in between that. So now we are going on a beach first, then we will reach our destination. So guys, see you on the beach. Guys, welcome back. I don't know where he has bring me, but the view over here is that astonishing, that amazing, that it is making me freaking out. That it is that awesome. I just want to live here. I can't know whether my camera could capture that or not, but the view in front of me is something else. it is a successful day for me. Like if I am coming out after 15 days and in this view, it is a successful day for me already. I don't know what will happen next in the coming day, like next hour, but it is the awesome day that in the last couple of weeks that I am ever having. So it is amazing. I just loving it. Guys, view, see, which base is it?
This is Spanish Bank.
Yeah, so
Near
he has
UBC.
taken me to the Spanish Bank nearby UBC. It is the first time that I'm coming here. He has taken me here, but I just want to come again over here. Like today, we don't have that much time. We have very limited time, but I will be back here soon. I will cover one full vlog over here with my friend. Today he don't want to come in this vlog. That he's saying here I'm not ready for the vlog. Again we will plan one day and come back. Now just let's get out and enjoy the nature and amazing view out there. See you guys. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm so sorry that I didn't get much opportunity to record something that my battery drained out. The phone's battery drained out, not my battery. And immediately so immediately I have to get back into the car and plug in my phone. So it is around more than 15 minutes that I have plugged in my phone, and it is still 8 to 10%. I can't record much. So it is just that I came back just to notify that that's why I can't record much. So I will update you. I will record something that if there will be any interesting after this. So let's see where it takes us, where the time takes us right now. And it is all that we are heading up to the next direction. We are done with the another work that we had to do after the beach that we went. We are done with that as well. So here is that another member that came into our vlog. So she came from India recently and she was in quarantine period. So we are here to help her to. So we had to take her to the room where she has right now she has rented.
तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज.
Yeah, as I promised that today I will use all the 3 languages. So my friend has initiated that. So right now, see you in the next clip. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज.